In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a soft glow effect in Photoshop. This simple technique adds a dreamy, luminous look to portraits, landscapes, and product shots without overcomplicating your workflow. We'll keep it quick, clean, and entirely adjustable so you can dial in just the right amount of glow for your image. Start by duplicating your image layer. This gives you a copy to work on while keeping the original safe underneath. You can do this instantly with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J on Windows or CMD+J on Mac. You'll see a new layer appear in the Layers panel, which is what we'll apply the effect to. Next, go to the top menu and choose Filter, then Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Gaussian Blur softens details in a controlled way, which is perfect for creating the basis of a glow. When the dialog opens, you'll see a radius slider. Set the blur radius somewhere around 7 to 15 pixels. The exact number depends on your image size and how strong you want the effect to be. Smaller, lower resolution images typically look good around 7 to 10 pixels, while larger, high resolution images might need closer to 12 to 15. Use the preview to judge the softness. You're looking for a smooth haze without losing all definition. Now change the blurred layers blending mode to screen. You'll find the blending mode drop down at the top of the layers panel. Screen brightens the lighter parts of the image and ignores black, which turns that blur into a pleasing glow instead of a flat haze. The moment you switch to screen, you'll notice the highlights bloom and the image lift in brightness. To keep things natural, lower the opacity of the blurred layer. The opacity slider is directly to the right of the blending mode. Pull it down until the glow looks believable and supportive, not overpowering. As a general guide, somewhere between 20% and 60% works for most photos, but trust your eye. If skin tones start to look washed out or highlights clip, reduce the opacity a bit more. If the glow feels too soft or smeary, you can also revisit the Gaussian blur radius and nudge it down. Take a moment to toggle the layer's visibility on and off to compare before and after. View at 100% zoom when judging detail, and step